Hey y'all, cooking, cutting up, keeping it real. In my kitchen tonight, I'm gonna make meatloaf. I'm gonna start with 2 pounds of ground beef. I have a 4-pound pack. I'm gonna add 2 eggs. That will help bind the meat together. And you can use ground turkey, ground beef, or ground chicken. That's up to you. Now to this, I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons of dried mustard, and I'm gonna eyeball mine. Two teaspoons of paprika. One teaspoon of salt. One teaspoon of, a half teaspoon of thyme. A half teaspoon of, 1.5 teaspoons of basil. One teaspoon of black pepper. One teaspoon of onion powder and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. One cup of ketchup and a sleeve of crushed crackers. I'm gonna eyeball my ketchup. One cup. Okay, and where's your crackers? Now we're gonna mix this. I have prepared my pan. I have covered it in foil, and I've got a rack on there that I have sprayed with nonstick spray. Okay. Now let's give this a mix. This is going to cook in the 350 degree oven for 45 minutes. Okay, that is looking good. Now I'm going to make a loaf out of it. And put it on my pan. And I'm going to bake it on 350 for 45 minutes. You want to make it as even as you can. And that is what we're having for dinner in my house tonight. I'm going to put some mac and cheese with it and some black-eyed peas. And dinner will be served. Give it a try. Meatloaf, y'all. Going into the oven. We'll see y'all. Thanks for following.